Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn with the help of example that how to draw the pie chart or pie graph in Microsoft Excel. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos, and also if you want to learn the Excel completely, you can visit this channel and you can watch the videos which are free available in my channel, means in this channel, and you can access. There are total of 18 parts in which I have completely explained all the Microsoft Excel from basics to advanced level. So let's start that how to draw the pie chart. So let's suppose this is a table, and this is a subject which is named as engineering drawing, and these are the names of different students, and this is the marks obtained by each student. Out of total is the 100 marks of this subject. So this person whose name is Babar, who got 67 marks, this guy has obtained 92 marks, this guy has been obtained 51 marks, and this guy has been obtained 83 marks, and this guy has been obtained 71 marks. So now we want to draw the pie chart for the student versus the uh, marks obtained. So first we will select this is versus this, and then we'll select we'll go to the insert, and in the insert we will go to the charts, and in the charts we will go to the pie chart, and here we will click on the drop down button. So there are different options through which you can show your pie chart. So let's suppose we want to show our pie chart in this format, so we will click on this. So now you can see this is the pie chart which shows the marks obtained by each student. Here the different color represents the different color represents the marks of the different unique student. So this is the color for the Babar marks, which is this one, and this is for the Junaid, which is this one, and for this guy this is this one, and the maximum marks obtained by this guy, which is this much. It has been occupied more space in this pie chart. So you can see this is Junaid, and this is Junaid who got 92 marks out of 100. So this is the pie chart. You can also change the uh, format and designs of these pie charts. So in the format, in the chart tools, the first one is the design, and in the design these are the different options. You can select anyone, and also you can get the anyone of your interest. So let's suppose we take this format design. So you can see this is a pie chart for the marks obtained by a different student. This is for this guy, this is for this guy, this is for this for this, and this for this. So you can change the format of the design depending on your requirements. And also, let's suppose we want to cut this and want to show the pie chart in another format like this one. So you will click on this. Now you can see the format. You can see this is another slice, this is another, this is another, this is another, this is another. So each color represents the unique marks of each you student. So this is how you can draw the pie chart in Microsoft Excel. So now if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.